Okay, let's check what card you have here. Releasing the past, emerging, transforming, energies transmuted. You could be doing a lot of releasing, literally like releasing of your past. What I'm getting as well is that you're releasing the past trauma of your own experiences recently here on earth and those of your ancestors in the past. Like as you have healed yourself and released yourself from, I've been seeing lots of like the angel numbers, like earlier that's 222, 333, and just there 444. Yes, and it's just like, look at this again. There's that light guiding you the whole time that you're doing this, and you are surrounded by the light, that light within you. That the lights you see outside of you is a reminder. If you've been seeing a lot of lights in any way, shapes or forms, it's just really, especially from the light of the sun, it's really healing and activating your DNA. And because our DNA, we have these like genetic codes passed on to us from the ancestors many years ago, and there should be one at some point. There's one in that lineage that's called by the ancestor to heal. As you heal yourself, you have healed them as well, and that in that process you have rewired your DNA. And that's really, it's not easy, but it's beautiful. Like very lush greenery, like all the plants, like that growth that you have achieved at this point, it's worth it, of those releasing that you did. Wow. And because of that, you're really shining the brightest. You're already shining, but it makes you shine more. Oh, that's beautiful.